Coming to next question. Number of terms in the expansion of this is in the form of a plus x whole power n plus a minus x whole power n plus a plus ix whole power n plus a minus ix whole power n, or step of n plus 4 by 4. N is the 42 plus 4 by 4. That is step of 46 by 4. 11.5. Step of 11.5 is 11. Copy that problem. Coming to next concept. Generally, a plus b whole power n, number of terms are n plus 1. Suppose a power 1 by p plus b power 1 by q. A power 1 by p plus b power 1 by q whole power n. Number of terms are n plus 1. Out of n plus 1, some terms are the rational and some terms are the irrational. Irrational means the terms contain the root 2, root 3, root 5 like these terms. So those all are irrational. Out of n plus 1 terms, some terms are the rational, some terms are the irrational. So in this expansion, general term we have TR plus 1 is NCR, A power n minus r by p, b power b power r by q. General term in the expansion of about the expansion a power 1 by p plus b power 1 by q whole power n. General term TR plus 1 is NCR, a power n minus r by p, b power r by q. So rational means compulsory, this is an integer, this is also an integer. B power integer means r must be divided by q and n minus r should be divided by p. If both conditions are satisfied, then the term is a rational. If any one term is not satisfied, any one condition not satisfies, r not divided by q or n minus r not divided by p, any one condition satisfies, then the term is called the irrational. Like number of rational terms, shortcut formula for this, number of rational terms in the expansion a power 1 by p plus b power 1 by q whole power n is step of means greatest integer function n by LCM of p comma q when p comma q are not a factors of n. When none of the p comma q are factors of n means p and q any one value not a factors of n. If at least one of the p and q are factors of n, then the formula becomes a step of n by LCM of p comma q plus 1 when at least one of p comma q are the factors of n. Coming to the asking number of irrational terms. First you can find the number of terms. Number of irrational terms equal to number of terms minus number of rational terms. Number of terms minus number of rational terms. Coming to the given expansion, they given fifth root 3, that is 3 power 1 by 5 plus 3 power 1 by 7 power 1 by 3 whole power 36. So this is the form of a power 1 by p plus b power 1 by q whole power n. N is 36, p is the 5, q is the 3. 3 is the multiple of 36. 36 is the multiple of 3. 36 is the multiple of 3. Then you can number of rational terms equal to, you can apply the second formula. Number of rational terms equal to step of n by p LCM of p comma q and 1. That is 36 by LCM of 5 comma 3 plus 1. LCM of 5 comma 3 is 15. 36 by 15 plus 1. 15 2 is a 30. 2.4 plus 1. 2.4 means step of 2.4 is 2 plus 1. that is 3. Number of rational terms are 3. Therefore, number of irrational terms equal to number of terms minus number of rational. That is, number of terms means 36 plus 1, n plus 1 terms, number of terms, minus number of rational 3. That is 37 minus 3, 34 terms irrational you have. 34 irrational terms you have. Copy that problem. Coming to the next question. They are asking the sum of rational terms. They not ask the number of rational. They not ask the number of rational. Sum of rational. Root 2. Root 2 plus 5th root 3 whole power 10. That means 2 power 1 by 2 plus 3 power 1 by 5 whole power 10. They not ask the number of rational. Sum of rational. So you have to find the what are the rational terms. What you have to first you can find the what are the rational terms you have to find. After that you can take the summation. General term TR plus 1 is this in the form of a plus x whole power n or x plus a whole power n. That is your choice. NCR a power n minus r, b power r means x power r. So a power NCR means 10 CR, a is 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 10 minus r, x means 3 power 1 by 5 whole power r. So that is 10 C5, 2 power 10 minus r by 2, 3 power r by 5. So if it is an rational means, if it is an rational, then r is a multiple of 5, and less than 10, and 10 minus r is divisible by 2. 10 minus r is divisible by 2. Multiple of 5 less than 0. That is r equal to 0 or 5 or 10. R equal to less than 10, less than or equal to 10, multiple of 5 or the 0, 5, 10. If r equal to 0, then 10 minus 0 equal to 10 is divisible by 2. So r equal to 0 is possible. If r equal to 5, 10 minus 5 equal to 5 is not divisible by 2. So this is not correct. R not equal to 5. That implies R not equal to 5. If R equal to 10, 10 minus 10 equal to 0 is divisible by 2. That means R equal to 10. Therefore, R equal to 0. For R equal to 0, comma 10, that TR plus 1 is rational. So, sum of rational terms equal to in place of R you can take 0. That is 10 CR. Sorry, this is a 10 CR. In place of R you have to take 0. So 10 C 0. 2 power 10 minus 0 by 2, 3 power 0 by 5, plus R equal to 10, 10 C 10, 2 power 10 minus 10 by 2, 3 power 10 by 5. So something power 0 is 1, 2 power 5, 10 C 10 means 1, 2 power 0 is 1, 3 square. 2 power 5 means 32 plus 9, that equal to 41 is the answer. Copy that problem. Coming to next question. X plus y equal to 1 is given, then this expansion is equal to the asking. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR y power n minus r x power r. First I will take the y power. Difference is that is the reason I am taking first. NCR a power n minus r x power r. That expansion a plus x whole power n. We know the expansion x plus a whole power n or a plus x whole power n, whatever it be. Sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x power n minus r a power r. Converting into in this formula, x plus a converting into this formula. We know the NCR means n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. For cancellation of the r purpose, I am applying first this formula to NCR. NCR formula n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. So you have to apply that is equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n r into this is the n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1 into y power n minus r x power r get cancelled, x take outside, n sigma r equal to 0 to n taken outside, n minus 1 c r minus 1 y power n minus r I will write n minus 1 minus of r minus 1 x power r I will write x power r minus 1 into x take outside and x sigma r equal to I will apply the 0. If you take the 0 means 0 minus 1 minus 1 will get, but suffix value is always positive integer, so r equal to 1 to n minus 1 c r minus 1 y power n minus 1 of r minus 1 x power r minus 1. This is in the form of NCR x power n minus r a power r. That form I have. So you can apply x plus a whole power n, that is nx into x means y plus x whole power n minus 1. In place of n you have n minus 1. So x plus y value is 1, that is nx into 1 power n minus 1. 1 power something is 1, so nx is the answer. Coming to next problem. The quotient of rth comma r plus 1th comma r plus 2 terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 14 or in AP, then r equal to. In IP one problem we did quotient of rth comma r plus 1th comma r plus 2 terms are in terms in 1 plus x whole power n or in AP.